Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Illustrator logo design tutorial, and today I'll show you these type of photography logo making tutorials. So if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So go to the file at first and new options, take 1000 by 1000 pixel custom artboard and hit the create button. You'll get the white. So I'm taking this one in this window for the purpose of your learning, and what I'm making I'll show here. So now at first what I have done here, let's analyze this. Here is aperture sign or whatever you can tell, and then the eye shape and the frame, and then you're getting here the font right up like that. So how to do that, let's see. At first go to the shape tool and go to the ellipse tool, select once and make it 200 pixel and hit OK. So you can make it bigger, it will help you out. And then go to the polygon tool and make it like 6 and make this one 100. Yeah, make this one white color, it will help you out to be like that. So press the shift button and hold it and rotate this one like this and select these two shapes, a circle and the hexagon, and make it like that. So after that I'll draw some lines over here. Go to the line tool and draw a line like that, this. So press Ctrl Y for the outline and it will help you out this line is properly aligned with the shape or not. So here is some portion, you have to make it like this. So you can just manually do like that. Yeah, that's it. So that's fine. And then press Ctrl C for the copy, Ctrl F for the forward paste, right press, go to the transform and go to the rotate option and 120 degree. 120 degree is the angle of the hexagon, that's why you have to make it 120 degree angle. It will be proper like angle of this hexagon. And then right press again, or you can just select this one, copy and forward paste, right press, transform and rotate, and then 120 degree, and just place this one properly to the hexagon shape, and make sure that this one is properly like placed on the hexagon shape, otherwise when you will cut this one it will be not properly aligned. So press Alt button and just make it like that. Yeah, that's good. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl F for the forward paste, right press, transform and rotate 120 degree again, and place this line to this portion of the hexagon. Yeah, that's good. So make sure that this one is properly just place over here. Okay, that's good. And press Ctrl C and F for the forward paste, right press, transform and rotate, make it 120 degree and just place it here. Now select all the lines and other stuffs and go to the Pathfinder where you will get this one. Go to the window and here will be the Pathfinder tool. So here the divide options, press it and ungroup this one and just divide this one, ungroup this, delete this portion, and now this one is properly divided. So that's good. And here is extra line, you can just delete this one, that's good. And select all the things, then go to the stroke image or stroke here, stroke line, and turn off this one and make this one 6 pt. That's good. And go to the object and expand options and make it like that. And again select all the things and make it divide and right press and ungroup, and press Ctrl Y for the outline. And now I'll delete the unnecessary portions. So this one, this white portion, those are unnecessary. I want to make the aperture sign or icon like that. You can get any kind of stock aperture like icons in a flat icon or other sites, but I'll just give in here the proper rules or proper procedure of making the aperture sign. So this one is easy, and this one is the basic thing of the designing, so you can learn it out. Those who are the beginners, it will help them out a lot. So select the white portions and delete the portions. That's good here. And unnecessary portion, just delete it. This portion, and this and this. So here is another one. That's good. And unnecessary portion, you can just remove that out. That's good. Select this thing and make it group, and go to the ellipse tool again and make another circle of like that. Yeah, that's fine. And make it a stroke, and make the alignment in the middle of this, and make the stroke thickness, that is the 6 pt, and make it a little bit closer of the circle, and make this one properly in a center. So this one is not properly centered just because of this extra line, so deleted this one and make it a proper center. Yeah, now that's good. And make this one like go to the object and expand this one and fill it out, and I for the keyboard and pick the color from here, and then draw a rectangle or the square shape like that. So that's good, and make it 6 pt, and properly in the middle of this, it will be good. That's good. And press the shift button and rotate this one like that, and you can make it a little bit bigger, and it will help you out to make it properly like that. So select this one, press the shift button and hold it, and select this one and select this one, and now make it like the eye shape. Yeah, that's good. So you can increase the size, you can make it 8 pt. That's good. And go to the object and expand this one and fill it out. That's good. And this portion is ready, and you can make it more smaller, so make it group and make it small like that. And you can make this one, go to the direct selection tool or here, and you can make this one like more closer, so select here, and okay, that's fine. And now I'll make it smaller like that. That's good. That's the eye shape. Select this eye shape object, expand and fill it out. That's good. And now go to the rectangle tool and take a rectangle according to this. Press Ctrl Y for the outline, and you'll get the line properly just according to this. So that's good. And now select this one and make it like middle alignment, and press Y. And now I'll give this one only 8 pt and turn off the fill color. That's good. Go to the object and expand this one. That's good. And now I'll take shape from the shape tool and select these three things and make it properly align in the middle. That's good. And that's fine. And select all the things and make it like divide and ungroup this one. Delete this portion. So this portion actually, this area, and this area, and this area, and this area as well. So you are getting like, so here is unnecessary things. Press Ctrl Y, you are getting the unnecessary portion. You will just, it will be visible. So select this one and delete this. Press Y and just select this one, group. Okay, now I'll write down the name in a downside of the logo. So go to the text tool, select once, make it 45, And now write down the make the the font that is, and just retain the name, point of view, and make it like 600. That's good. It will be more bigger, so you can make it like that. So scroll, just make the scroll like that. When you are getting the value which is this, that's good. Make the alignment in a proper position. That's good. Right press and create outline. So I just took this one like 45 pt, and as the golden ratio rules, I'll take this one like 45 divided by 1.6. I'll getting here 28 value. So I'll write down the next one, which is the next light font. I'll provide you all the font download link in my video description, so please check it out. And just make it 28. So 28, that's good. And make the gap between two letters like 350, or write down something here, the photography. Photography studio, and press Ctrl R, take the ruler or guideline like that here and here. So after that I'll place it out here, select the alignment and align it properly. And now I'll increase the gap between two letters, so scroll it out and you'll get the proper position of the write up. So the headline and subhead will be like the golden ratio maintained, and that is 1.6. If you get the value of the headline 45, you can divide this one 1.6 and it will get the value that is 28. Right press and create outline. Now change the color, select this one, press I from the eye picker and select all the things, delete that portion. So these two guidelines and select this one, approve this one. I'm taking copy of this and select in the middle, and in a front layer and select this one and align it properly. So you're getting the logo like that. You can make it smaller a little bit, it will be more amazing. So we're getting the logo like that. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today. And if you have any kind of question, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. And bye bye.